Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check or review your block list on Facebook. So if you want to see who you blocked and you're using the Facebook app on iOS or Android devices, in today's tutorial I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right corner. And you want to go down and select where it says Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select Settings, and then scroll down again underneath Audience and Visibility and select the blocking button. At this point, it'll give you a list of everyone you've blocked. If you want to unblock someone, you can select their profile from the list here and then unblock. You will have to wait 48 hours if you choose to reblock them once you have unblocked them once. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.